It was big wardrobe in spare room, and below this name, Amabel read in small letters. Trains leave big wardrobe in spare room all the time. And under that, in still smaller letters, you had better go now. So children, here we can see that some magical words were written in that book, which was the dictionary. For example, some ordinary names were written, extraordinary names were written. For example, where you want to go, big wardrobe in spare room, big wardrobe in spare room again, and you had better go now. So these were the key words in which the words were written in the names were written in the book. Let's read further. Amabel went straight to the big wardrobe and turned its glass handle. It was most amazingly a crystal cave, very oddly shaped like a railway station. You can see here, children, the railway station was shaped like a crystal cave. You can see here, it is looking like a crystal. Crystal means like a glass. It was looking like a crystal cave, and it was amazing to see, and it was very oddly shaped. So the railway station was formed with it was looking like a crystal cave. It seemed to be lighted by stars, and over the station clock was a full moon. There was a full moon over the station, and it seemed like the lighted stars. The clock had no figures, only now in shining letters all around it, 12 times. So it did not have the clock which was there, it did not had any letters on it. It only had the word now written on it in figures. Okay, it had no figures, it only had now written on it in shining letters all around it. Okay, 12 times. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 times what was written there on the clock? Now, only now. There were no figures. So this was also something magical, something different, very extraordinary. So children, today we will read till here only, and I hope you must have understood till here the lesson. I am sending you the pictures of the whole lesson, and I want you to do the reading of the left out pages. Page number 24. From here, the Potter, you will start reading. Page 25 and then page 26. Till here, you will read the whole lesson, and you will come across many amazing things in the lesson. So children, this is all for today. I hope you must be liking the lesson, and you must be excited to know what comes next in the lesson for us. This is all for today, children. Thank you so much. God bless you.